Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today is so much fun. I have a huge box right here and I'm going to be unboxing this. You guys know how much I love doing unboxings, and this video I am doing with Riley Rose. I have done a video on Riley Rose in the past. I will link that down in the description box. This is not sponsored. That video was not sponsored. I just went there on my own. You guys seem to really like that video. They sent me this box of all their Black Friday goodies. So basically everything that is going to be on sale in their store, and I have everything. So I cannot wait to see what's inside and show you guys everything that is going to be at Riley Rose on Black Friday. So if you guys have never heard of Riley Rose, they are actually owned by Forever 21. They are like the beauty skincare mecca version of Forever 21. They have the cutest store I have ever seen. Definitely go watch the video where I showed you guys what the store looked like. It was pretty much the cutest makeup store I have ever been in, and a lot of you guys were saying that you had been to one or you really wanted to go to one in your area. So when they asked me if I wanted to unbox their Black Friday goodies, I was like, heck yeah, because they're really affordable and I'm so excited to just see what's inside, and I love sales. So if you guys are excited to see what is inside the Riley Rose Black Friday box, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. And let's get on into this and see what's inside. I'm so excited. The box is pretty heavy too. So one thing I want to note also, sorry it looks a little dark on this side. I mentioned this in my last video. I am down one studio light. The light broke and I didn't get the replacement yet. So sorry about that. So I know there's been a lot of rumors floating around how Forever 21 is closing, but they want you guys to know that they are not going anywhere, and they are actually going to be combining like Forever 21 and Riley Rose into one, which I thought was really cool. So everything will be under one roof. So they're going to be opening up stores that have both a Forever 21 and a Riley Rose, which I was like, that is so cool. So definitely check it out and see if there is going to be one in your area. They're also going to be doing a grand opening of one. I will put the information down below of like the location and everything like that if you guys want to go and check it out, which I highly recommend you do, because if you are a makeup lover, you are going to have so much fun in their store. It's like you could stay there for hours and just play with all the makeup, and they have tons of K-beauty. I'm hoping there's some K-beauty in this box. The little card, it says, "'Tis the season, buy now, cry later, happy holidays." So I'm gonna put that over there, and we have some little glitter pieces in here. This is so much fun. Okay, so the first thing in here, this is a brand I have never heard of, but I already love the packaging. This is from Zimu, and this is the Manuka Honey Glow Skin Duo. How cool is that? And it has a cute little ribbon on top, which makes it super giftable. And I love anything with honey in it. I just automatically feel when I hear Manuka honey or honey, it's just very soothing. That's the kind of the illusion that I get. And this has their Manuka Honey Cleanser and Body Wash. I really did need a body wash for my shower, so that's gonna come in super handy. And the packaging is like marble gulls and prettiness. So very cute set. Again, first time hearing about this brand, but it says it cleanses impurities, has an uplifting floral fragrance, nourishing and hydrating. We're off to a good start. Eco Beyond Best Skincare Kit. This says from moist cleansing to hypoallergenic skincare. So you get a phytogenic facial foam, Beyond Phyto Aqua Toner, Beyond Phyto Aqua Emulsion, and a Beyond Phyto Aqua Cream. So yeah, this is so cool. Definitely interested in this. Again, another brand that I have not heard of, but it looks like this is also a K-beauty product, and they always have really great skincare. You can look up some reviews on these products and see what people are saying about it. Cute little set. We have, this looks like a palette, which gets me super pumped. Oh, I've been wanting to try this brand. This is Pinky Rose. I actually saw this when I was at Riley Rose, and I was very into like the display and seeing what they had. This is Pink Paradise, looking like a palette of sorts. So this says it's $27, so I'm assuming it's gonna be 30% off of that. Really cute, like tropical pattern. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, yes, yes to this. Look at these colors. I love this. All these pinks, and warm tones. This is so dang pretty. You get some coral shades. Really excited to create a look using this palette because this is really going to be my first time trying out this brand. There's like a pink shade. The real test will be on the eyes. There's some really fun, vibrant colors there. Let's do this one. It's like a shimmery orange. All right, so definitely gonna do a look with this. I love pinks and oranges. It's like some of my favorite looks to create. Pinks, purples, and oranges are my favorite. I'm actually wearing some pink on the lid today. So this will be my very first Pinky Rose palette. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand before and if you like it. I see a product that I own actually and love. I also got this in PR from Bliss. This is the Bliss What a Melon Reviving and De-Stressing Overnight Mask. I love the Bliss watermelon line. If you like watermelon, then you will really enjoy this. And sleeping masks and overnight masks are super, super popular right now. So I've been using the moisturizer of this. I actually used that today, and I've been using the toner. I love this whole line, so I recommend picking this one up for sure on the 30% off Black Friday sale. Shake off the glitter. We have this Cosmetica skincare. I think I've heard of this brand before. This is the Rose Gold Kit, and you get a, oh, is that a micro needler? I'm so scared of those because I'm scared of needles, but you get a micro needler. Let me just see if I can look in here. Yep, micro needling derma roller, and you get a rose gold serum. So this is supposed to increase product absorption up to 200%. Skin appears more full and plump, and it minimizes the appearance of fine lines and acne scarring. So that's the roller, and I don't know if you guys have seen those before, but it's this roller literally with like little mini micro needles on it. A little scary, but I know some people love it. And then the rose gold serum. I love anything rose gold. That looks really interesting. It says instant natural glow and just the right amount of sparkle. I'm wondering if that's something you can wear like underneath your makeup for a little bit of extra glow. This is a really cute set, especially if you've been wanting to try out the micro needling. And the serum looks really pretty too. It's super fun. We have, oh, this is so cute. Tony Moly. I love Tony Moly. It's shaped like this little candy. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I'm Rose mask and hand cream set. You guys know how I feel about Rose, but this is really cute. It has the hand cream, a sleeping mask. This is a cute gift. You also get 2 I Am Rose sheet masks. Very cute. I might give this to one of my family members as a gift because this is just perfect for the holidays and Christmas time. It's like so much glitter in here. I'm trying not to get it everywhere. Okay, this is the last thing in here, and it is a big box, and this is from, can you see that? Kanuka, and this is a CBD line. I actually think they were at Ipsy Gen Beauty. I went to a few of the panels, and I think the owner was from this brand was speaking. So let's see what's inside. I have a couple CBD products from Gen Beauty that I have been wanting to try, but I haven't gotten around to trying them yet. And let me know if you guys like CBD beauty products. If you have a favorite, leave me a comment. Ooh, so something fell out here. Let's see. It's like a cute little kit. Comes with a little pamphlet. Cannabis, CBD, and Manuka honey, renowned for healing anti-inflammatory properties. And this is so nice. What a lovely set. It doesn't have the price on it, but it looks like you get a lip balm right here. This is a Kanuka CBD hydrating lip balm. Very interesting. You get a, ooh, Kanuka CBD cleansing body bar. I know one of my coworkers, she always talks about CBD and how it like helps calm her anxiety. You get a CBD nourishing body cream, and then this is a CBD calming eye balm. I didn't even know they had all these. Well, actually, there's a lot of stuff that I've been seeing on Instagram. Like I even saw they had CBD bath bombs, which that sounds really interesting. This is a Kanuka CBD healing skin balm. So basically they took CBD, how many times can I say that, and Manuka honey and combine them. This is like the theme of this haul is Manuka honey products. So I guess that's a super popular ingredient right now. This is my first time trying out this brand, but I am super excited to test these out and kind of see what all the hype is about with CBD. All right guys, so that is everything in the box. Lots of fun goodies in here. This is just like a little sneak peek of what Riley Rose is gonna have on sale for Black Friday. Don't forget, these are all gonna be 30% off. I will link their website down below. I'm sure there's gonna be even more stuff, but there's a lot of really cute sets in here. So thank you so much to Riley Rose for letting me unbox all of these products, and let me know if you guys are going to check out their store or website for Black Friday. Definitely see what they have, and they're gonna have some really awesome deals. Everything you saw here, and they just have the cutest store ever. I am such a huge fan. Definitely think of giving some of these as gifts, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!